Hello! You've clicked on this video because you want to be a streamer but don't know where to start. Well, you're in the right place. This is the Beginner Streamer series, a personal project I made to guide newbies within the world of streaming. Before we get into setting up, I would just like to say that disclaimer. The information I share is based on my personal experiences and should not be taken as professional advice. What worked for me may not work for everyone, and individual results may vary. Just a reminder that what I'm going to teach you here is based on Windows, so if you're using Mac OS or Linux, I might not be able to help you with that. Also, the browser that I'm using is Firefox. I'm just letting you guys know that if your browser is different from mine. So here is the breakdown of the contents for this video. First up is downloading OBS, second is linking your stream account, and third is understanding on HDocs, elements, and features. So let's go through downloading OBS. So step 1. Searching for OBS. When you're looking for the streaming application, just type OBS download on the search bar and the list will show the OBS Studio website. Step 2 is downloading OBS. Just click download installer and it will download into your system. Once it's done, you could click the file from your downloads and open the installer. In the installer, you just need to click next until you reach the destination folder. This part is important. If you have 2 drives or storages, you need to place the application in a drive that has a big space by clicking browse. This part is now your decision to make. We're now going to linking your stream account. Step 1, go to settings. To go to settings, click the file, then settings, and within that window, you will see the category named stream that will prop up the service and destination. Here you have to choose a service as to where you'll be streaming. But in this video, I'll be demonstrating it using Twitch. The Twitch service has 2 destination options, which is Connect Account and Use Stream Key. The Connect Account option is already self-explanatory by just logging in, but the Stream Key is what you need to know more. The Stream Key applies to almost everything that has a streaming feature like YouTube and Facebook. I've been mentioning the term Stream Key a lot, so what is it exactly? A stream key is a unique code that tells the streaming software that you're using, like OBS for example, where to send your live video. But where do you get these stream keys, if you may ask? So, step 2, locating the stream key. Usually the stream keys are located at the settings or when you are setting up your streams. So for this example, I'll be showing you 2. First, Twitch. At Twitch, you can locate your stream at settings, then stream, and the first thing that you'll see is the primary stream key. That is where you get your stream key at Twitch. And second is YouTube. When you're going live, you'll be able to find the stream key immediately because the stream settings are already open for all to see. Now that you got your stream key, we can now proceed to step 3. So step 3, connect your account. When you finally got your stream key, you could paste it at the text box of your stream key. Then just click apply And after that, the OBS will now be able to locate and send your stream there. We're finally done at setting up where you will be streaming. We can now proceed to understanding docks, elements, and features. Here you will see the docks that are available usually when you're first starting out. The default docks are scenes, sources, audio mixer, scene transitions, and controls. This is where you tinker the layouts, the audio, and the overall performance of your stream. There are times that some streaming platforms could provide you with additional docks like chat and stats and more. Although that still depends, to be honest. I'll be giving you a brief breakdown on the uses of each dock. The first is scenes. Scenes contains different layouts. Basically, each scene is a layout that can be seen on stream. If we go back to my example earlier at my scenes, I have 4 available scenes, which are the loading screen, chat, stream the border, and scene 2. Not a very lovely name, but this helps me locate the scenes that I need to transition to. And number 2, sources. These are the elements that you add inside your scene. Let's go all over each and every element briefly so that you guys could get the gist of the purpose. The first things first is application audio capture. This one captures the audio of a specific application. For example, I'm playing Repo. So when I connect the Repo's audio to this audio capture, it only captures that application. So that's the use of it. For number 2, audio input capture. This captures your mic audio. So you don't need to know more about that. It's just the mic audio. Number 3 is audio output capture. This one captures the overall audio that is happening within your computer. So basically, one of the defaults in your audio mixer, there's this thing called desktop audio. So that is equivalent to audio output capture because it captures everything that is happening in, audio-wise in your computer. Number 4 is browser. This is what I use to link my character to move, but it's all because I use Fujitech, which connects to Discord. I will be showing how to do that on the next chapter, maybe. Okay, next up is color source. Color source is basically the background color that you can use with, like, you can change the background of your screen to like green screen, blue screen, whatever color, so that people can, cut you out and stuff. You know what I mean. Next is display capture. This captures the whole entire screen, much like the audio output capture earlier. This one displays everything that is happening on screen. Self-explanatory, really. Next up is game capture. This one is the best for streaming because it doesn't capture stuff like your Steam chat or Steam notifications and the like. It's the best one to use if you're streaming, by the way. Image is self-explanatory. The images from your computer folder. Yeah, very basic. Next up is image slideshow, another self-explanatory use that transitions pictures like a slideshow. Just insert a bunch of pictures on it and easy. I don't need to explain more than that. Next up is media source. This is where you put your background music. You can loop it or not loop it at all. This is where you get the music. Very self-explanatory, not gonna lie. Next up is scene. It takes every element from a specific scene and could function the exact same thing as the other. The difference between the scene element and the actual scene is that the scene element is more grouped together rather than separate elements. So yeah. Next up is text. Text is self-explanatory. You can just see text on the screen, that's it. Next up is video capture device. This element captures the video from your camera. If you're using a webcam or a personal camera, this is what you need. Next up is VLC, video source. Same as the media source, it could either serve as a looping video on your intro or outro. Or maybe you wanna use it a lot midstream. I don't know. Yeah. Go for it, man. Next up is window capture. This is the same as the game capture, but it will literally capture everything that is happening on your window, okay? So, if game capture doesn't capture what you were doing on Steam, window capture will actually show you what's happening. So yeah, if you want to keep your privacy, better pick the right elements for it. Now let's proceed to the next dock, which is audio mixer dock. This is where you adjust the volume, filters, and other properties. We can expand more on that, but for the next video maybe, just maybe. Next up is scene transitions dock. Basically, this is the transitions between scenes. That's it basically. Mine is just fade, you know, very simple. Next up is the controls dock. This is where you could start streaming or recording. I just feed you a lot of information, but let me break down to you the purpose of each dock. So, in short, to briefly explain, scenes contains different layouts, sources is the elements within the scene, audio mixer controls the volume and the filter, scene transitions is the animation transition between scenes, and controls is the basic functions to stream, record, studio mode, and settings. But let me add more into your knowledge, your brain. Let me add more information into your brain. So, here are the features that you need to know. So, studio mode lets you see a preview of a scene before you show it to your audience. And next is advanced audio properties. You've seen this from the previous slides. This allows you to test the audio if you set it to monitor and output from one of the audios. Next is audio filters. Same goes for this one. It allows you to filter your mic audio to prevent noise. And lastly, additional docks provided by your streaming platform or service, which I refer to the chat, stats, and more. So, this is big, really big. This is the entire video to understand how everything runs in the streaming software. If you guys have any questions, just leave it at the comments below and I will be there to answer it. If it's frequent, I might make another video about it. So yeah, that is all for this episode. You better explore your creativity into setting up your stream. So, have faith. Good morning, afternoon, and evening to you all. Have a great day, an awesome day, and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.